Hey guys, welcome back to Addie and Bella Crafts. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Knit Quick kit from Looms and Threads that retails for $21. A lot of other looming companies sell looms like this, which are basically you can take them apart and make new configurations, but this was the cheapest that I could find because I just wanted to test out how these worked and how much I liked them. Okay, so as I'm opening this up, I think you can see the little configuration sheet right here to show what you can make with it. And right here is just the basic loom knitting hook and done. Okay, so on the back of this doesn't actually show you how to knit the actual hat, but it does show you how to put them together, and 2 patterns for a hat and a scarf. Here are the actual looms. There are 14 of the little miniature 5-peg connector pieces, 2 of the orange ones, and 4 of the green ones. So now I'm going to show you what all 7 of the configurations look like and how well they are put together. After testing all of these configurations, I really like this loom. All you have to do is just snap in the pegs and you can have so many looms. Think about it. In paying $21, you can get a baby blanket, you can get a mini scarf loom, you can save so much money by just being able to create the looms on your own. Here's a quick look at the pegs in the back. Most of the connector pieces on the ends have anchor pegs so that you can start wherever you want, which is really cool. Here is a comparison to the regular Loops and Threads loom to this one. The gauge is very similar, although these pegs are a whole lot smaller and shorter as well, so you might have to use thinner yarns. Alright everyone, so that wraps this video up. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys!